National park rangers and other park staff in New South Wales have started industrial action today. They're protesting at state government plans to allow licensed recreational hunters to cull feral animals in some parks. It's part of a deal struck with a shooters party to win support for the sale of New South Wales electricity generators. John Cahill is the General Secretary of the Public Service Association.
Well, PSA members who work for the national parks work in these parks every day of their working lives, rangers and other national parks and wildlife staff. And they're now being asked to go to work each day and face the prospect of being shot. That's the main complaint. It's also a danger, obviously, to members of the public who come and use those parks for bushwalking or to have picnics or for other recreational purposes. Those people are also being put at risk.
But hunting will only be allowed in 79 of the 799 of the state's national parks, and it will only be under strict conditions. So it's not as if anyone with a gun will be able to go into a national park and start shooting.
Well, it's 79 parks too many in our view, and of course that's not the message that's being sent. The message now is that if you're a licensed shooter, you'll be able to shoot in national parks. That's the message that is going across.
But the problem of feral animals is a big one, and it's getting worse. It costs a lot of money to control them. They are allowed to be shot at the moment by professional hunters. So isn't this an effective solution if it is tightly controlled?
Well, I think the key word there is professional. There are already professional contract hunters used. National parks staff themselves are involved in feral animal eradication programs, and those programs work well. But what is being proposed here is that amateurs are allowed into national parks. The only qualification appears to be that you have a gun licence. Now, I don't have any confidence that trying to eradicate feral animals on that basis will work. Those programs should be done by professionals, not by someone who's an amateur just coming into the park to have a bit of a hunt and a bit of a shoot.
Your industrial action and protest at this begins today. What does that involve?
It involves two aspects. Firstly, we won't be providing any advice to the Minister's office, Minister Robin Parker, who's responsible for this debacle and who's responsible for national parks. So our members won't be providing advice to her anymore, nor will our members cooperate with the implementation of this program.
John Cahill, thank you.
Thank you very much for that.